Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe Kotlin expression and statement. Expression consists of variable, operator, etc. that evaluate the single value. Let's example of expression. Suppose value as score is integer type, and then we set the score value equal to 90 plus 25. So this is 90 plus 20 arithmetic and is assigned to the score bell variable. So this is the expression 19 plus 25. This expression assigned to the score variable. Now we will see the if expression. Suppose del a equal to 12 and value del b equal to 13. So val max is integer type. Max equal to if a greater than b, then return a else b. So here is this is the if expression. If expression. So total if a greater than is equal to b, a is a and else b. So this is the full if expression. And the value of expression is the value of expression assigned is to the max variable. Now we will see the Kotlin blocks. So what is block? A block is a group of statement 0 or more that is enclosed in curly bracket. For example, suppose val variable flag equal to flag is equal to true. So if flag equal to true, then print a and then print the another print string hello. So this is the if if branch block, and here is the two statement Finland. One statement is Finland here, and another statement Fint new line hello is the another statement. So this is the if block. This is the if branch block. Inside if branch block and two statement. One is the hey and another is the Fint hello. This is the two statement. This similar to the main function, has also the block body. The block is the all. This is the block of main function, and all are the statement, and this is the end block. This is the main function end block. So at first we see the Kotlin expression. Here is the this is the expression 90 plus 20 expression. So this is the expression, and this is expression, And also this is the if expression. If expression is data assigned to the max variable. And Kotlin block, here is the if block inside the to statement. Thank you so much.